This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion reciprocating saw, model CR18DGLP4. Battery and charger sold separately. Hitachi sells this as a tool body only, so that it becomes even more affordable. If you already own a Hitachi tool or kit that comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type battery and charger, then you can easily add this to your Hitachi platform and get more bang for your buck. The tool is compatible with all Hitachi 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type batteries for fade-free power, less weight, and 3 times the total battery life of traditional nighthead batteries. This cordless recip saw is ideal for efficiently cutting pipes, wood, metals such as mild steel, aluminum, and copper, and various other materials. Being cordless, this saw can go anywhere for ultimate convenience. With a toolless, adjustable front shoe, you can easily control the depth of cut based on the application. Blade life can also be extended. Simply move the shoe periodically to introduce unused portion of the blade. The variable speed motor delivers up to 3,300 strokes per minute for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 1-inch stroke length to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change the blades. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. Being only 5.7 pounds without a battery installed, it's lightweight prevents user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the recip saw gripping points absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting.